ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video from ABC 3340, and I'm meteorologist Brian Peters with you for this Saturday edition. And what a great day we're going to have in store with the rain overnight. And certainly coming nicely. Let's take a look at some Skycam images. How about this one from Decatur? And certainly a beautiful view of the Tennessee River flowing there with lots of water. Some clouds still visible, especially across the eastern part of the state, as we look at Gadsden from that high perch where our camera is located there on Nakalula Mountain. And then a look down a little lower land down around Clanton, and we can certainly still see some clouds down there. But I think we'll see some clearing today. The cold front is moving through or has moved through, and as a result, with our surface pattern, we should be clearing out. We may see a little bit of clouds in the afternoon, but I think for the most part, we'll see plenty of sunshine. That bowling ball of a low is over southern Illinois and is headed away from us. But for the next couple of days, at least, looks like we're going to be under a ridge. Temperatures very mild across the eastern half of the country. Look at that, 50s all the way up to around Chicago and nearly to Detroit there. Across the central Alabama, we're also in the 50s, although Tuscaloosa, the cool spot right now, with 46, at least in central Alabama, a little bit chillier up there at Haleyville. And everybody got some rain last night. How about this? I know I had 8,500s at my house. That's a very nice rain. Heard a little bit of thunder. Projections are that we're going to see a little bit more. It's kind of spread out over the middle of the week into the latter part of the week, but I think it'll come mostly toward the end of the week and the Thursday, Friday time frame. No outlooked area for severe weather for today, but the Storm Prediction Center is watching an area over the mid-Atlantic states. All right, here's this GFS for today. This is the 06Z GFS model run. There's our nice closed low over about West Virginia and parts of western North Carolina. That's going to be migrating out of the way. In the meantime, that ridge that extends up the Mississippi River Valley will be coming over us. Here's the projected precipitation for tomorrow, Sunday, and you can see the front over along the Atlantic coast. By Monday, that front is long gone. Moisture looks like it's beginning to return as the high is centered over the Carolinas on Monday, and that should allow southerly flow. That'll keep us warm. The GFS is indicating the possibility of maybe some showers, but I don't know. I'm kind of doubtful here on Tuesday. And then I think we're going to see some chances on Wednesday and Thursday, but they're going to be small. By Wednesday, we're seeing the ridge beginning to have some little short waves come through it, and that is allowing or will allow for the possibility of some showers. And you can see the GFS is indicating the possibility of some showers. Once again, though, I think this is kind of going to be an afternoon event and with the heat of the day, and I don't think it's going to be a serious rain event. By Thursday, the GFS is keeping it in there. Of course, we're fairly moist, and that would allow for a few showers. By Friday, the trough across south central Canada is making its influence felt all the way down to about the Tennessee River. So that's where I think we're going to see our most organized weather for this week is coming in the late Thursday and Friday time frame, and it may extend over into early Saturday. By Saturday, that trough has become pretty pronounced, but it's also east of us, which means most of the weather should be east of us with surface high centered over about St. Louis. And by Sunday, that surface high is centered over about Jackson or Dyersburg, Tennessee. Then as we look out into Voodoo Land, it looks like a cold front could drag into the area by Tuesday. And then finally, at the end of the period, the GFS showing a very large ridge over the eastern part of the country, so it looks like the weather not too unsettled for the next couple of weeks. Well, we certainly appreciate you tuning in to the tuning into the Weather Xtreme video. Certainly hope that you have a great Saturday. I expect to have another video posted first thing on Sunday morning. You have a great weekend, and God bless.
Weather.